Hello, my name is Olivia and today I will show you how to use My Blogs feature in the new message editor. My Blogs is a great feature if you tend to use similar elements when creating new messages. And by similar elements, I mean text blocks, image blocks, or even the whole sections of your email. So this will help you create consistent messages for the readers of your newsletters, and it will help you speed up the process of creating them. As you can see, I selected one of our available templates, the one with the donut, and based on that template I am going to show you how to use My Blogs feature in the new message editor. So let's say that this donut image is the logo of my company and I want to save it for future because I know I will be using it in some further messages that I will be creating in the future. So I want to save it so that I can simply reuse it. And to do that, you need to hover the mouse over the element that you want to save, or you can just click on the element and you will see a short menu on the right hand side. There will be 4 icons there, and the one that lets you save the element as a block is the second one from the top. This will be this floppy disk icon. So if I click on it, I can save this specific image as a block, and it will be easy for me to reuse it in the future. So right now I need to give this block a name so that it's easier for me to find it later on. I'm going to name it logo and I'm going to save it. You can do the same with other blocks, not only image blocks, but also, for example, let's say that I want to save this text block as well. So I am going to click on it and use this disk icon, text block, and save. Apart from text blocks and image blocks, you can also choose to save whole sections of your emails. So for example, let's say that I want to save this whole section as a block because this is also something that I might be reusing in the future. So I will hover the mouse over this specific section, click on the disk icon. I will name this section, for example, let's say it's going to be section 1 in my case, and I am going to save it. You know how to create and save blogs, and right now I will show you how to use and manage them. We have saved a couple of blogs, and right now I will show you how to find them and how to use them in future. So in order to go to the saved blogs, we need to go to the layout section in the new message editor and then select My Blogs option, which will be the last at the bottom here. And if you click on it, you will see the blocks that we saved a moment ago. And if you want to use these blocks in some of next messages that you will be creating, you just simply need to drag and drop the element where it should be placed in your email. I will show you once again. I will go to Layout, My Blogs, and this time I will select the logo. I will drag it and drop it where it should be placed in my email. Let's say I want it to be placed here, so I simply drop it. Also, if you go to Layout and then My Blogs, you will see 3 dots next to each one of the saved blocks. And if you hover the mouse over that 3 dots, you are going to see 2 more options there. One will be to rename the block, so if you ever decide that you want to edit the name of the saved block, you can absolutely do it at any time. And if you decide that you do not need a specific block any longer, you can simply delete it by hovering the mouse over the 3 dots and by selecting delete. Then you just need to confirm if you wanna delete the block, because this action cannot be undone. So be mindful when deleting the blocks, because we might not be able to restore them later on. Okay, and I also wanted to show you one more option which will be especially useful if you have got many blogs saved here and you want to find a specific block but you don't want to be scrolling through all the blogs here. So if you go to the bottom of the saved blogs, there will be a link Show All Saved Blogs, and if you click on it and if you go back to the top, you will be able to search your blogs by names. So let's say that I saved one blog and I remember that I named it logo, but I don't want to be scrolling here in order to find it. So I will just type logo and this is how I can also search through my saved blogs. Then I can of course just drag it and drop it where it needs to be placed. So this is it if it comes to my blogs feature. I hope that this is going to be useful and helpful for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and good luck creating your newsletters.